Hello, this is Abu Sufyan Malik. This is Coding Ninja's SkillTest. I have built this Meals app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is my GitHub page. You can get all the source code from here. This is my README files. You can read this README and you can know about what are the functions and features are there in this website. So you can visit this website using this link. Let's see what are there in the website. The website, what I have done, I have divided this page into three parts. One is the navigation bar, the other one is the search bar, and the third one is the card holder, which contains all the food cards. So in the navigation bars, this is the icon, this is the navigation heading, this is the favorite, which is used to show the list of the favorites once someone add their favorite items. In the search option, if we search any of the food, it will show about it will show the food cart, and we can get to know the details, video, and favorite of that food cart. For example, if we search biryani, we get to know about the food card, and this is food card contain the name, category, type, and the three buttons which contain the details, video, and favorite. If we search any of the food items which are not there in this list, it will show no match found. For example, like if we search something like this, it's showing no matching meals found. Now we will look into the other functionalities. If we click on this favorite button, it will add meals to the list in the favorites. If we click on this video, it will move us to the YouTube, and we can see here. We come back. If we click on this details button, it will show the detailed page of this. This detailed page contains the image, category, ingredient, instruction, and these video and favorite. This video button will also move us to the YouTube. If we click on the favorite, it will also add the particular food item into the favorite list, like that. Now, if we go to the favorite, we can see here, these are the things we have added while when we click on the favorite. From here, we can remove all of the elements in the favorite list, like that. Now, if we click on the favorite, it will get added into the favorite. Now, let's move to the code. This is code. So we will go from one by one. This is the HTML page. The HTML page, this is the full part in which we have written the full container. In this, this is the navigation part, which contains the logo, the favorite item, which is to toggle the sidebar, and the app name. In the main section contains the sidebar. Like when we click on the favorite, it will open this sidebar, and the food container, which contains all the food cards, uh, like that. Now in the style section, when we go to the style, we have first make all the parameters into zero, the margin and padding zero. Then in the body we add background, and we set all its position. In the same similarly, we have done the CSS for the navigation. You can see the code from here, all the navigation code, and this is the favorite icons code, which is like click on that favorite item, and we get the sidebar. For this is the CSS code for the sidebar content, and what are the headings and all these things. This is the favorite items. Like once we have added any of the items which goes into the favorite list, you can see this is the favorite items, right? Now we will go to see the search bar container. Like after the navigation section, we have made one of the second section, the navigation search bar. So this contains the search bar container, its title, what are the input values we have put, and what will be their design, all these things. Then we have the card holder, which contains all the food cards, and all these things are there in this CSS file. This is the button, icons, everything is there, and this is the details CSS. And if we search, if we didn't get any, then this is the code for like no match found. Like at least we have to show something, right? If we didn't get anything after the search. Now we will go to the index.js page. We contain the JavaScript file of this. So let's see from the top. So first we will initialize the local storage object and add them into an array. Then we have made the mail list function which will show on the home page. So we have fetch them into an array, meals array, from this API, MealDB API. From that we have added this card. If someone searches, so we get that card. And in this card only we have added few event listeners, on the favorite icon. Someone clicks on the favorite icon, it should add it to the favorite. And if someone clicks on the detail, it should show another card which will have details, name, ingredient, instructions, and the two of buttons, the favorite buttons and the video buttons. Similarly, if it didn't found any of the elements, so it will show this message like no match meals found. Then we have the set meal function, and this is toggle bar function. This is the remove all function, and this is show the favorite meals. If when someone clicks on that, the food card added to the favorite list. In the favorite list we can see this card. So that's why this is code for that part. So in that we have created one of which is the remove button. So we have added a event listener on that remove button. So when someone clicks, so it should move from that favorite list. That's why we have added the remove button. And we have fetched this mail list once someone removed from the favorite list, page should get refreshed and we should able to show the get mails list. This is complete code. Thank you very much.